What's up, guys? I'm back. That's right, I am back on YouTube. So if you guys haven't noticed, I've been gone for about a week and a half now, and I really wanted to come on here and explain to you guys why that is. Now, as you guys know, I've stepped up my YouTube game recently within like the past year, and I've been trying really hard not to miss a post or, you know, go a couple weeks without posting or, you know, miss anything on YouTube, because YouTube is like my passion and I didn't want to miss anything. So I've been grinding out. Just recently is when it all kind of went downhill. And now I'm not looking to make excuses here. I could have definitely, you know, kept up posting and done all that. I have a lot of half videos that I've made where I basically did a video but it didn't turn out good, or I wasn't able to do the whole thing completely, as you guys will see in a future video, but I think I'm still gonna post them. So for the reason of me being gone, I think it starts with a lot of things changing in my life recently this year, just between people, you know, my parents, they sold my hometown house. I went through a lot of life changes within a quick span of a few weeks, and I really didn't know how to handle it. And so what I did is I told myself I better, you know, just tighten the bootstraps and, you know, get to work so I didn't have to think about these things, which is apparently not the right thing to do, because I basically overworked myself up until last week and just was, you know, grinding it out. I was like, you know, YouTube is the happy thing in my life, so I'm just gonna freaking grind it out and, you know, just have fun and do all that. And I did have a lot of fun. I've had a lot of happiness within the past few months, but it didn't fix the bad things in my life. And so while I was working off all this stuff, I didn't realize how burnout I was getting. I was working through the weekends. I was doing everything every day. There was never an activity that I missed, which I'm super thankful for, but I didn't realize that I needed a break and to take a second to think about things and process everything. And that's been going on for the past couple months. You guys probably, I don't show it through camera a lot, but within the past few weeks is when it all kind of like traffic jammed and like got caught up with each other and stuff. So about 2 weeks ago, I was on a ride. We do these night rides every Friday night with, you know, Kyle, Chris, you know, Cody, a whole bunch of our riding side-by-side friends. And I was riding in a side-by-side, and we were actually getting left behind. I won't name any names. Falling way behind on this ride, this night ride, and it was about 1 or 2 a.m. And we were going down the trails and stuff like that, and we caught a rut weird, and we hit a tree, and I hit my head really, really hard on the roll cage. And so that was like kind of the first thing it made me take a step back, and I was like, holy crap, I'm actually kind of hurt. But it was the week before the Crown Rally. As you guys know, I do those all the time. I photograph them on video and that kind of thing. And so that was the first thing that I hit my head really hard. I probably got a concussion. I didn't go to the doctor. Probably should have gone to the doctor. But, you know, we stayed out there all night, the rest of the night, and I really didn't feel anything the next couple days. I mean, I felt fine. I think it was fine, but I was told that I probably had a concussion. And then the next few days, I just, you know, hung out with friends and had a good time, so I didn't take time to process that either. And so that kind of was the start of the traffic jam. And then when I went on Crown Rally, we had a new plan for a new kind of content we were gonna make, and I just got, you know, overwhelmed trying to do that. There was like, I had no sleep after I got that concussion or whatever, and so it was all catching up to me. The no sleep was catching up to me. And then something big happened on the rally, as you guys might have heard about. I won't say any more about that because it was pretty traumatic. I just told myself, I was like, look, I just got it all built up until this one moment on the rally, and I was like, look, I need a break. I need to take a second to step back, enjoy life a little bit, because I've got some good people around me, and just have a good time, no cameras, no questions asked. And so that's what I did. I basically came back from Crown Rally. I this is the first time I'm touching my vlog camera since before the rally. I just had a good time. I went swimming. I went to the lake multiple times. I had a great time with some friends. I played Mario Kart with my good friends Jake and Brittany. Like, they have helped me out more than anything in this whole situation. And so like, it's just been it was a great like week and a half off, and I'm back now. The other day, it was like Sunday evening, and I was like, all right, I'm ready to go back. Like, I'm ready to start this again because I've kind of missed it. You know, it is fun taking a break, taking it off and that kind of thing. But like, YouTube's like where I'm most happy. Like, I'm so happy to create these videos for you guys. And I've got a few new projects that I have to show you guys. But that will be in the next video because I can't show you guys all in one video because that'd be silly. My first video back, I can't show you everything. So I hope you guys can understand that. I'm back. I'm way better, guys. I promise. Thank you guys already for thinking of me right now. I made a little post before I went on this break, and the amount of support was amazing from you guys. So I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you guys, you know, take a step back when you need to, because it is important to take a break and to get your mind right and everything like that. And I'm ready to make some awesome content for you guys. So I hope you guys have a good one. We got some good stuff coming. I'll see you guys later.